Gonna look at the cam timing today on the Fiat Seicento. It's still struggling to rev sort of between 4.42, so check that the timing's alright, and then tomorrow we're going to take it to the dyno and have it a look at on the day as well, just to make sure. So need a few tools, axle stands and a jack, and then my trusty old Halford's toolkit. Ignore all the cat toys. This is what built a quite high powered Corsa back in the day. Still got it, so we'll use that. Let's go move these cars around outside. Right, so I've got on the drive. Got to get this off, the bottom off, get it jacked up, get the alternator belt off. Get the crank sensor pulley off and have a look. Been running it around with no air filter. No idea what that red thing is. It's not connected to anything. No idea. Probably should have an air filter on it, but can't really see anything getting up there, so it'll be alright. Right, let's get this wheel off. Get this belt cover off of it. Oh no. Let's get this one out. Pretty safety pin was missing in the other. Don't you need that high, but okay, keep it light. I'll do it. Down she goes, gently. Don't hit yourself in the kneecap with the jack, by the way. Hurt. Right, so as you can see, actual inner arch is off because the guy who bought it off said he just had the time belt done, or had recently had it done and hadn't got it back in. So makes life a little bit easier anyway. The bolts look pretty straightforward to get out. So is everything else really. Let's get this wheel off and get on with it. They are some massive brakes, them. Massive. Got to change the bottom arms as well on this, so have a quick look at how that works. Not too bad actually. Back bolt there looks a bit harsh because the anti-roll bar, but that's got to come off anyway. Oh, maybe it just slides in. Find out there. Okay. So I just started the top of work down. I've never worked on a Fiat before. I ain't got a clue about them. But it looks like there's one bolt here that holds the top cover on. So we'll get that. Once that's off, we'll get the bottom cover off. I think we need the alternator belt for that. Get on with that. So that's the crank pulley off. I was told to investigate it because the flat point is how the crank pickup works on the outside, to see if there's any damage anywhere in the teeth, because that could also cause a bit dodgy running, but seems fine to me. Sadly I reckon the alternator belt could have done with being replaced, but I ain't got one. I'll do that another time. Piece of piss to do. That bit. So right, so we've got the top cover off, just got this bottom cover to take off now, and that's that. Where's my 10mm gone? Kidding me. There it is. The elusive 10mm. I've actually lost quite a few sockets out of this socket, so it sucks a bit. Get myself a new one at some point. Long bolt. I'm sure that will just pull out in right, but if not I'll just snap it. Nothing else holding it on, so come on, cut off. Fog lights in there. There we go. So there's our timing belt. Tension at the top there, water pump. Belt doesn't look that bad or old, but now I'm going to work out where the timing marks are. Oh, you can't see any of it. You can see it. Notch down there. That's to line up with. Notching that pulley there. Just the bottom mark I've got to work out right now. Find out what I get a feeling though it's just that there. No, it can't be that, that's a stupid mark. Well, check the net. Right, I'll include the timing marks, the picture of it anyway, the factory ones. It's a video, but that there is on the timing mark, which that there is supposed to be a timing mark. That's bloody ridiculous. There's no notch or anything, so that's the bottom in. And you got at the top. I can't really tell, but I reckon it's possibly 2 teeth out. So I'm going to change that then. So put the belt off and move the camera around. There's on the mark. I've not spun it round far. Round once more. Right, second time. That looks to be on the mark to me. It was that's a lot closer than it was before, so hoping that's right. I can start it up anyway. To lean on that belt to me. That's on the mark there. So I really just need the crank pulley on for it to fire. But I think I'll just put the alternate belt back on because it doesn't take long to get it off anyway. And that's that. Yeah. I have to get some lowering springs. I'm going to go and check these other wheel nuts as well, that's up in the air, because that's a bit worrying that how slack they were on this side. Alright. Let's have a look at the fat cans. So it's standard exhaust. All the way to the back, to there. So we just put in with a Y piece into the fat cans. Pretty smart, eh? The only thing I don't like some bloody brackets on the bottom. Really. All it needs is them hangers just tigged onto the top of the back boxes. And that would have sorted it. But whatever. The only problem here is that because the way it's done there, can't really refit a standard exhaust without taking the back box off. Never mind. It's a bit old to lay around on the floor. Good point to mention, this does have a locking pin. You see that little hole there? Little nipple on there for it to go in. Can't get that wrong. Well, I could, but I won't. Let's go for the moment of truth. See if I've done it right. It's not going to explode. Everything's back together apart from the wheel, so side up. Boom. Fucking yes. It's actually idling a bit higher, which is probably about right. It's idling really low as well. Sounds smoother as well. all back together, so it was running as you heard. I've been around, checked all the wheel nuts on the rest of the wheels, they're all spot on. It was just that one wheel which they've obviously done a cam belt on it not too long ago, and there's been a couple of teeth out. We just torque the wheel up and it's fine. I've left the inner wheel arch liner off because I need to do the alternator belt on it as well. I haven't got an alternator belt, but I'll try and get one tomorrow. If not, it'll last a few weeks. It's nothing major, it's just got a bit of cracks in it. Do a little bit more tension on it as well. So we're now going to go and have a road test. I'll stick the camera on the window. Let's see if it goes any better. I don't need to go far because I don't really want to break down, because it's been a while since I've worked on a car. It's nice to have dirty hands again. But yeah, it's a bit easier on a Golf where everything's just digital. Just seems to work all the time, apart from turbos when they go and clutches when they slip and you need new software. But yeah, it's not as much fun as this. This has been a great week that I've owned this car. I think it's fantastic. Honest. Let's go for a drive. Oh yes, Golf R, amazing. Oh yes. I don't know what these revs do. That's nearly 7,000. Oh, like a trooper. 60 mile an hour already. Fantastic. That is world of difference. It actually probably goes like it's supposed to. Like not bad for about 30 minutes work. Alright, maybe an hour. I am getting old and slow. Oh, it just drives 100% better. That's all it was, 2 teeth out. So I've got that chipped ECU back in the house. I guess we'll test that on the dyno tomorrow and see the difference between the two. Look forward to that now. I don't know how close to 54 horsepower we'll get, but that's tomorrow's adventure. This was today's adventure. Let's go. That is brilliant. So, until tomorrow, let's find out how much horsepower this has or hasn't got. I think you're supposed to say stuff like subscribe and like and share right about now, but I'm not really good at that. But if you want to, please do. It'd be really nice. We can be friends. Yeah, see ya.